friends, I am Shailaja. Today we are going to do a science lesson of class 3. This is the lesson about things around us. We see different kinds of things around us. Different things are present in different places like the school, like the road, the park and the home. Some of them are the living things and others are non-living things. So you can see an example, living thing and a non-living things. Things like plants, animals, air, water, mountains, etc. are found in nature. They are called natural things. Things like the chairs, tables, cars, television, pens, pencils, aeroplanes, etc. are made by man. They are called man-made things. Some man-made things and natural things have no life. These are called non-living things. Human beings, animals and plants have life. So, these are called living things. How can we identify as a living or a non-living things? Let us study the features of the living things. Almost all the living things have some common features that differentiate them from non-living things. Living things can move, they can eat, they can drink, they can grow and they can breathe, feel and reproduce. These features together express life. Living things move, that is our first point. They can eat and drink, they can grow, they can breathe, they can feel and they can reproduce. So our first point, move. Living things move. Movement is one of the most important features of the life. All living things move. Animals move from place to place for food and shelter. Plants cannot move from place to place, but they can show movement in certain parts. For example, the sunflower keeps on changing its direction towards the sun. The blooming of the lotus is due to the sun rays, as an example. Living things need food. So, living things will be eating and drinking. All living things need food and water to live. Animals and human beings also eat food and drink water, but plants absorb water and minerals through the roots from the soil. Plants produce their own food in the presence of sunlight. Non-living things do not eat food and do not drink water. Next point, living things grow. All living things grow. A baby grows into a big adult. A seed grows into a plant and the plant grows into a big tree. A small chick breaks out of an egg. The chick grows into a hen. Can a small pencil grow into a big pencil? No, it cannot. Non-living things do not grow. Next point, living things can breathe. All living things breathe. Animals and human beings take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plants take in the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during the daytime. But they take in the oxygen and give out the carbon dioxide during the night time. All living things have some special organs for breathing. Fish breathe with the help of gills. Human beings breathe with their lungs. Plants breathe through the holes present in the leaves. These holes are called stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel. All living things can feel. We can prick a living thing. It feels pain. The feelings of the animal are exposed through their eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Plants also feel like animals. When you touch the leaves of a touch-me-not plant, they fold. Non-living things do not feel. The next point, reproduce. Living things reproduce. All living things reproduce into young ones of their own kind. The way in which living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. Human beings give birth to babies. Dogs give birth to puppies. Cats give birth to kittens. Some animals like the frogs, the lizards, birds and insects lay eggs. Their young ones hatch out of the eggs. All living things will die someday. Children, we have completed learning and understanding about the lesson. So, what you have to do? You have to again go through the lesson, try to understand some difficult words. You can search for them in the Google or whichever way you want to write them down. And main thing, I want everybody to go through the pictures, lesson and everything and answer the questions, the fill in the blanks, the exercise below the lesson. Everybody should complete the lesson as complete as possible. All the exercise should be done. You are ready for the exams. If there are exams, I am sure you will do very well. Good luck. Bye.